5 important tax changes that affect common man in the budget 2021. Why contact FinActBooks? Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman introduces a few tax changes in the Union Budget 2021 that are not widely publicized but will undoubtedly affect the common man. Here is a brief review and analysis of Budget 2021, focusing on what changed in terms of taxes for a common man. Important tax changes that affect common man in the budget 2021. First, taxability of PF interest. Interest on employees' contribution to Employees' Provident Fund (EPF) made on or after 1st April 2021 will be taxable at the time of withdrawal if it exceeds Rs 2.5 lakh yearly. This will increase tax liability, particularly for high net worth individuals who make larger contributions, and discourage voluntary provident fund (VPF) contributions. Second, tax on ULIP gains. According to Budget 2021, gains from ULIPs with premiums greater than Rs 2.5 lakh are now on par with equity mutual funds. This means that gains from such ULIPs will be taxed as capital gains, just like in equity mutual fund. This applies to ULIP proceeds issued on or after February 1st, 2021. The only exception is when the sum is received upon the policyholder's death, in which case the tax assumption will still apply. Third, no income tax filing required for senior citizens above 75. As per the Union Budget 2021, senior citizens who only receive pension and interest as a source of income and are above 75 years of age will be exempted from filing their income tax returns. These senior citizens are not exempt from paying tax, but they are exempt from filing an ITR if certain conditions are met. They will only be exempt from filing ITR if the interest income is earned in the same bank where the pension is deposited. Fourth, tax holiday on affordable housing extended. In the 2019 budget, an additional deduction of Rs 1.5 lakh was introduced in addition to the existing deduction of Rs 2 lakhs. This was made possible for first-time home buyers with a down payment of up to 45 lakh rupees. Now, the government has extended the additional tax deduction of Rs 1.5 lakh on interest paid on housing loans for the purchase of affordable homes by 1 year until March 31st, 2022. Fifth, higher TDS for non-filers of income tax returns. Many people do not take income tax seriously and don't file their taxes. The government has proposed adding a new section 206AB to the Income Tax Act as a special provision allowing for a higher TDS rate for non-filer of an income tax return. The proposed TDS rate in this section will be twice the rate specified in the relevant provision of the Act, or twice the rate or rates in effect, or 5%. I hope this video might help you understand the 5 tax changes that affect the common man in Budget 2021. Please post your queries, comments below this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. You can also call us at 8800 221252 or email us at info@finactbooks.com. Thanks.